House, apartment for rent. Napaupahang bahay. Hello everyone, welcome po. Maraming salamat sa pagbisita dito sa ating page. Ito po yung vacant na house apartment for rent ngayong August 2025. Yes po, brand new, bagong gawa pang house apartment for rent. House apartment for rent with 1 bedroom in Imus City, Cavite, Philippines. House apartment for rent, 9,000 pesos monthly for ground floor unit, 8,500 pesos monthly for second floor unit.